Have you seen a movable house? It can be easily moved with just one crane. Exactly. It's the movable Apple warehouse in front of you. It's an innovative mobile building. This building has a unique design and versatility. It is widely used in tourist resorts and RV camps, creative parks, shops, and other fields. Featured towns and cultural tourism projects. They offer ecotourism, mobile real estate, mobile retail, etc. The design concept of the mobile Apple warehouse is to minimize energy consumption and using sustainable and environmentally friendly materials. It is designed for a high degree of flexibility and convenience, according to different needs of the warm travel project. Make free combinations. Plus, it looks like an Apple phone. Has a high degree of aesthetics and recognition. Apple cabin is fully functional. Small footprint. Reduced space constraints. It is factory assembled. Cost savings. Overall movable. Beautiful appearance. Low-key luxury. According to the actual needs and distribution of the venue. Flexible arrangement. Whether in mountain lakes or in a different natural environment such as grasslands, can find a suitable location to place. The key is not to occupy the land indicator. The construction of the Apple capsule, it not only reflects the concept of innovation and environmental protection, also for modern business and tourism, offers new solutions and a comfortable experience. Then if you have it, what will it be used for?